Ooh, dirty, dirty girl. Time to go get a pressure washer. Starting my journey at the Home Depot, where they're known for their green, apparently, and more green. Didn't really find what I was really looking for, so I moved on to Lowe's, where they too had green, but a much more agreeable price, so this was the bad boy I ended up taking home. Had to pull the seats out, empty the glove box. It was time to go check the products. For this, I decided to use Slick products, because Instagram suggested it. But in either case, I topped off my bottle, and we were ready to make sweet, sweet pressure washer porn. Then it was time to break up the foam gun. Now this bad boy was really cool, and just laid on this nice, thick, very satisfying coating of foam. A little bit of scrubbing, quick rinse, and she was good as new. Look at that shine. Oh yeah, that's nice.